Hey everyone, this is the 10th video in the series Let Us Power BI. In this video, we will learn how to do a few transforms on date fields. So we will focus on finding the first day. For example, if we've got a day, we will focus on how do we get the first day of the year, how do we get the last day of the year for that date, and how do we get or extract the year field for that date. So I will just go, I've got the Power BI editor, Power BI desktop open here, and I'll just go and click on edit queries on the home tab. And what it does is it opens the Power Query editor for me. So I've just got one table here which just got one column, which is the date key. And as you can see, it is showing me dates from 1st of January 2005 onwards. So let's say I want to see for this. So let me just first duplicate this column, and I'll create 3 duplicates here. So for example, I want to find just the first day of the year for any given date. So for 3rd of January 2000, the third row, it should also be 1st of January 2005. So all you do is right click on this column and go to transform and go to year and say start of year. So let's just say similarly, I want to find the end date for the year. So you right click this, go to the transform year and then say end of year. And you can see it is giving us 31st of December 2005. So we'll just rename this and let's say I just want to find the year for a particular date I've got, and I want to filter on that. So I could just right click this, again go to the transform tab, year, and just click on year, and it just gives me the year for that particular date field. So in this video, we've learned how to apply date transforms on a given date field and find the first day of the year, the last day of the year, and extract the year from a given date. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing, and please do like my videos. Thanks a lot.